Congratulations, Shreya. Only getting the latest and latest features you're making it. It's a special firework only for Raj and Shreya. Happy married life, Raj and Shreya. Congratulations. एक बार